Okay, so we are really bored. So we put this video together for you guys. Didn't we, Grace?
Yeah, this clip is amazing.
We hope you like it, because we enjoyed making it. And she just hit her head on the laptop. Yeah, but.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh. No. You suck. Yep. You suck. I reckon this. Eat it. Eat what? Asshole. Ooh. My name is Gary. I'm so very fly. Oh my, it's a little bit scary.
Hello! Welcome to the Singing Belch, where I have Danielle Kirchhoff. Today we are doing something special. We're singing Don't Stop That Thun Thun Thun. Oh my god, I love this song.
Don't drop that da-da-da. Don't drop that da-da-da. Don't drop that da-da-da. Don't drop that da-da-da. Don't drop that da-da-da.
Hey, oh my goodness, I'm turned up. I got a bottle, you got a cup. You hit the dougie, I two-step. E.T. for me out. We like hair. Mustache.
Hey Danielle, let's play the repeat game.
Okay.
Ghetto.
Ghetto.
Frogs.
Frogs.
Licking.
Licking.
Ma.
What?
My.
Chili ring.
No. Eat. My.
Starfish.
No. I must ask you a question. Get it? Mustache. Must ask you a question. Bands make a dance. Bands, oh.
Hello, we are back with the Singing Belch Round 2. Song choices, Rehab by Amy Winehouse.
I got this.
They tried to make me go to rehab, and I'm like, no. But when I come back, you'll know. Did you know I can see you?
I'm about to puke.
No, you're not.
Hey.
Oink, oink, oink.
Oh god, I got the hiccups. Danielle, you farted.
I went my mustard back and forth.
Hey Danielle, let's play that game again.
Okay.
Moo. Moo.
Saucy.
Saucy. Saucy.
Now your turn. Send us some comments and we'll do the game and have your words on it. Thank you.
Give us a game request. We'll do it. Oh yeah.
Hey guys, I just want to say thank you for watching and
Hey little girl, do you like peanuts?